to disconnect Android phones from the VLite 2 system if you're having any issues with wireless Android Auto. We'll go through the settings on the Android phone and the VLite system to disconnect them and forget them, and then how to repair them. So on the VLite here, we'll go out of the Android Auto settings and we'll go into the support app down here. And then the second option down will be for Bluetooth, and we'll click there. And then you can see the phone's connected here, and we'll go over to the gear icon to the right. And then we'll click forget at the bottom left. And now that we've got that disconnected, oh, it looks like one of them's trying to repair, so we'll just hit cancel here, and that should stop them from trying again. And we can go back into the Android Auto app on the VLite. And then now we're ready to change some settings on the Android phone. So on the Android phone here, we're in the settings, and then we'll go into Bluetooth up here. It might be different how to get here depending on your phone, so we'll just show you the Bluetooth settings. And in here you should see the VLite 2 as a paired device. And you're going to tap the I next to that and go to unpair. And now we've got it disconnected here, and we can go ahead and restart the Android phone itself. And then we'll come back once that's restarted. Alright, so the phone's restarted now, and we're ready to reconnect both devices. On the VLine screen, or VLite screen, the phone name should pop up here, and we'll tap to connect. And then you should get a code on both devices, and you want to make sure to check the box for contacts and call history. And once you've accepted that on both devices, this should change over to waiting for Android Auto UI. And then and there we go. Now it's flipping over to that. If you just restart the Android phone, it might be a little slow to launch because it's doing a bunch of background apps as well. But we've got it fully launched now, and it should start to be a little quicker once the phone fully restarts all the background processes.